Hi, this is Alyssa with Noon. Thank you for just taking a couple of minutes so I can go over a couple of things with you new to the new website. If you go to noonesthetics.com, you're going to see on the homepage a way that you can register for the Noon webinars that are going to be happening from March to June. Different topics such as revolutionary skincare, that would be your Intro to Noon 101. We're going to have topics such as anti-aging, in-clinic exfoliation treatments, rosacea treatments, pigmentation disorders, skin cancer awareness. On this webinar, we'll be going over the warning signs and prevention using our sunscreens. And then also what we can do for acne, and then also as summertime skin maintenance, which will be a lot of fun for us heading into warmer weather. What I wanted to definitely show you was on the topic of training and education. We have added the Noon Academy now to our Noon Aesthetics website. On the top bar, you're going to click Noon Academy, and it's going to actually have you log in. I'm already logged in. If you're having trouble here, please shoot me an email. And one, I'm going to make sure your email is added to the Noon Academy so you can enroll in your classes. And again, this is totally free. Once you're in the Noon Academy, you're going to find different topics such as Noon Aesthetic Skincare Fundamentals, in-depth skincare knowledge, live workshop on skincare. This was taken from our Tel Aviv seminar last summertime. And then we'll also have Noon Aesthetic Skincare, which is for advanced education, hands-on so you can see some treatments, and then also some educational publications there for you as well. This is a great way for you to hear these on-demand webinars if you can't make the webinars live on the times that we've had them on the home web site there. So you have this option, and then you also have the Noon Academy. What I also wanted to show you on our website is the Brand ToolBox. Many times I get questioned for images and logos, and I want you to know this is all here for you, that you do not need a passcode to enter. So here you would also be able to find the Noon Academy. On the Noon brand, you're going to find the brand book, the logo, brand brochures, and templates. And then also a lot of you are also looking for some marketing material. And on this page, you'll be able to look up before and afters, the different catalogs we have, introduction to Noon video. If you have a TV in your office that you'd like a loop, you'd be happy to find that there. And also different product videos, product portfolios, but all the images, logos, everything that you need to market and be successful. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I'll be happy to walk you through this in more in depth, but I just wanted to make this a quick little video of what's available for you on our Noon website. Thank you so much, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.